Reviewing policy. Circumstances that might require a review of policy. Technological changes E. Introduction of new plant or processes. Organizational changes E. Changes to key personnel, such as a new CEO or MD, or changes to the management structure of the organization. Legal changes, such as the introduction of new legislation applicable to the organization. Changes to the type of work that the organization does E. When work arrangements change, where an audit, investigation, or risk assessment suggests the policy is no longer effective. When requested by a third party, such as an insurance company or client. Following enforcement action. Following consultation with the workforce. A change of buildings, workplace, or worksite. After a certain amount of time has passed since the last review, an annual review is a common.